most, and I'm going to click on the Install to MFPs shortcut. Here you can see the Control Center, which is the tool used for installing most onto the MFP. So the first thing I need to do is configure the software. And to do that, I'm going to go to Edit, Most Settings, and in the Settings dialog, I'm going to click on the Wizard button. The Wizard button basically makes configuration much easier on the user. So here you can see my IP address and port number of the server, the default login window linking. I'm going to leave my lock panel to false. However, when I get to the copy counter screen, I would like to turn this on. And this is what's going to track the number of copies that are made while a user is logged into most. The MFP username is the username of an administrator that can access the MFP. So basically, whatever username you would use to authenticate and web image monitor for that device, you would enter here, and then the password as well. And here in our settings, you can see the IP address is updated. And if I go to the Device tab, you can see Copy Counter is enabled. The username and password are entered. And I have the option to enable locking functions. And this is basically going to tell the MFP which functions should be locked when nobody is logged in. So here you can see Copy, Document Server, Scan, and Fax will all be locked if nobody is logged in. I'm going to save these settings, and now I'm ready to install this to the MFP. So I'm just going to simply enter the IP address of the MFP and click on Start Scan. And in the background, you can see the MFP has kind of woken up when the scan began. Now I can click Next. Here you can see the MFP that I have selected, and I'm going to install most. And in a moment here, we should see the MFP screen be displayed with most. And now we can see most is successfully installed, and I can close the Control Center.